When your hormones are in balance, everything else in your life seems to fall into place as well. For example, normal levels of estrogen and progesterone, the primary female sex hormones, help women to maintain healthy skin, hair, and nails, regulate their menstrual cycles, and keep their bodies at the correct weight for their heights and body types. Low levels of these hormones can cause many different symptoms, including depression, anxiety, irritability, difficulty concentrating, fatigue and muscle aches. 1. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, protein, and magnesium. They also contain L-arginine, an amino acid that helps boost hormone production. Almonds can help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great snack for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Adding almonds to your diet may also help reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Cherries. Packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, cherries are one of the best foods you can eat to restore hormonal balance. These little red fruits help to regulate insulin levels, which in turn can help to regulate your hormones. In addition, cherries are a natural source of melatonin, which can help you sleep better and improve your overall mood. Eat a handful of cherries every day, or drink cherry juice to experience the benefits. 3. Wild salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, wild salmon is one of the best foods you can eat to restore hormonal balance. Omega-3s help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the reproductive organs. Salmon is also a good source of protein and vitamin D, both of which are essential for hormone production. 4. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the best foods you can eat to restore hormonal balance. They contain lignans, which are plant compounds that bind to estrogen receptors and help reduce levels of circulating estrogen. Additionally, flax seeds are a good source of fiber, which can help regulate hormones and reduce inflammation. Try adding a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining hormonal balance. They also contain magnesium, a mineral that helps to relax the body and reduce stress levels. Additionally, walnuts contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that help to protect the body against disease. Eat a handful of walnuts every day to keep your hormones in check. 6. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that contain vitamins and minerals essential for hormonal balance, including vitamin D, B6, and zinc. They also contain choline, which helps to regulate estrogen levels. Choline is found in the yolk, so make sure to eat the whole egg. Eggs are a great way to start your day or have as a snack. 7. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining hormonal balance. Honey also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, honey has been shown to improve cholesterol levels and reduce triglycerides. 8. Avocado. Avocados are one of the best foods you can eat to restore hormonal balance. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins that help support your body's hormone production. Plus, they're delicious and can be eaten in a variety of ways. Try adding avocado to your breakfast, lunch, or dinner for a hormone balancing boost. 9. Ginger. Ginger is a root with many curing properties. It has been shown to be effective in treating nausea, pain, and inflammation. Additionally, ginger has been shown to be effective in restoring hormonal balance. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that ginger was able to increase levels of progesterone and testosterone, while reducing levels of cortisol. Furthermore, another study found that ginger was able to improve ovarian function in women with PCOS. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the best foods you can eat to restore hormonal balance. It's a cruciferous vegetable, which means it contains compounds that can help protect your body against hormone-related cancers. Plus, broccoli is a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's also low in calories and fat, making it a perfect food for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain their weight. Lastly, broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw, cooked, or steamed.